if you have issues with your direction sign, with your turn sign, then this is a normal behavior what you see. And if it starts to blink really fast, this means one of the bulbs it's broken. And to troubleshoot which is broken, you can press the emergency button. If you see, this is working, that's working, the left hand side one it's working, the front it's working, and probably this is the guilty one, so this is not really working. And yeah, that's working. And to troubleshoot, you just have to open this and see what is going on. Open up the front of your car, put the holder there, and your indicator it's present there, so it should be somewhere here, a small gap like this one. And if you start to move, like if you see, this has a contact issue in my case, maybe it's corroded. But in case if yours it's not working by moving this band, you should replace this bulb. And it's simple, just unplug it, put it back, and it's done. But it seems I have a corrosion point issues. You can also check the fuse of that bulbs, but in my case, as you see, it's just I'm turning back and still not working. Maybe the bulb has still an issue. And it's back, so it seems like it is fixed for temporarily. Probably I have to stop some point of the engine and use some cleaner, contact cleaner to clean that